Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Now access it in the background. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, click on this square button. Then tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app and access it by clicking on this tiny window. As you can see, now I can use it in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag your window wherever you wish to. You can turn it into a bubble by tapping on Home button and swiping it to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. In order to use this app, overlay the other one, just tap on the other one and operate in both. In order to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner and to close it completely, on the top right one. You can also close it after turning it into a bubble by holding the bubble and dragging it to pin icon at the bottom. If the pin is red, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!